You are building an app with all your efforts, sleepless nights, and hard earned money. But at the end of the day, either the app is not ready, or even if it is ready, no one really cares about it. Not because the core idea of the app is bad, but because of some simple mistakes. And it may cost several years of your life and even your hard earned thousands of dollars. I am Kazi Hassan Ali. I have built more than 100 of apps and websites for last 9 years. In my experience, I have seen a lot of great ideas fail to become a successful app just because of some basic mistakes. In this video, I am going to tell you about 6 big and basic mistakes that everyone makes while building their app and how to avoid them. First mistake, not launching your app with an MVP. MVP means minimal viable product. And launching an MVP means having an app with just essential features which serves the basic purpose of your app. For example, Instagram started as a photo sharing app with some basic filters. Over the time, they have collected users' feedback and now it has evolved to a multifaceted social media platform that we know today. Why MVP actually does matter? First, focusing on essentials. By starting an MVP, you ensure that your team is focusing on the primary and most important part of the app which matters to your users most and avoiding unnecessary complexities. For example, if you are starting a food delivery app, the MVP might include things like menu, payment system, ordering system, but skip or avoid the things like fancy UI elements, then subscription, loyalty programs, and etc. Faster time to market. An MVP helps you to launch your app as soon as possible and it will help you collecting the valuable feedback of your users. Another reason is cost efficiency. Instead of spending your time and resources on least used features, MVP allows you to spend on essentials only. And that's how by launching an MVP, you protect your app from scaling unnecessarily. Second mistake, lack in project management. Project management sounds like an easy thing to do, but it is not. Lacking in project management can cost you in your budget, expected timeline, and overall outcome. A wrong team handling your project can lead to a bad project management. Most of the time, people choose a wrong team because they are very price sensitive and they choose a freelancer over a reputed team. What happens is like after some time, freelancer stops responding because of certain or uncertain reasons, and then the project starts getting delayed. And also, even after that, if you hire a new freelancer, the overall expectation will not match the thing that you are expecting for your app. You should consider your development team as your entire product. If the team is not supporting you or providing you the resources that is needed for your app, then you will be in a whole lot of trouble. So my suggestion would be to hire a well-reputed team who has the dedication and experience that will be required for your app. Research well and don't be very price sensitive for at least this part. It will help you in your long run. We have a well-reputed development team in Yashitech and we are also providing free technical consultation worth $100 to those who are looking to develop their mobile or web app. If you are interested, feel free to reach us. Third mistake, ignoring the cost of marketing post development. You may have built the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, then it really doesn't matter. Most of the business owner thinks that if they build a good app, the users will come to their app automatically. But it doesn't happen in that way. Most of the businesses fail because not because of the good product or bad product. Mostly it fails because of the marketing and distribution. So it's like you have opened a new shop and nobody really knows about it and you haven't even promoted it. So how anyone will come to your shop? Same case will happen for your app as well. So the solution is to consider the budget for the marketing and SEO before even building your app. And while considering the budget for marketing and SEO, you can consider these strategies like ASO, app storage optimization, SEO, search engine optimization, and influencer marketing. Fourth mistake, failing to define your target audience. Building an app for everyone usually ends up serving no one. Defining your audience not only helps you to build an app that will meet the requirement of your users, it will also reduces the unnecessary development, reduces marketing cost, and improves the user retention. A well-targeted app has significantly higher chances of succeeding than others because it solves a clear problem for a specific group of people. Let's say you are developing a fitness app and you might think that your targeted audience are everyone who is looking to get fit. But that's not the case. One single app cannot serve a professional bodybuilder, a yoga enthusiast, and a parent who doesn't even have a 15 minutes a day for workout. So without specifying these users, you will end up with a diluted product that none of these users will truly love. So take your time and define your targeted user. In this way, you will build a solid foundation for your app. Fifth mistake, ignoring UX or user experience. Succession of your app totally depends on user experience. No matter how innovative or feature rich your app is, if user experience is not good or user finds it difficult to even access the simplest thing, then they will uninstall right away. Most of the business owners thinks their app needs to be feature rich and they keep the UI UX part as a second thought or secondary. But the thing is, UI UX is very important for user retention. Users should be able to easily access every features of the app. In that way only you will be able to keep the user engaged. So the solution is build the UI keeping in mind of user experience and install some third-party plugins to track the logs of crashes and bugs so that you can fix those bugs and user can get a better experience. Sixth mistake, overlooking the testing and feedback. App that launch without proper testing and feedback often suffers from bad reviews, high uninstall rates, and bad word of mouth. Testing helps finding issues like slow load time, non-responsive UI, and even bad crashes, which actually leads user to uninstall the app. And the solution is to allocate proper time in your project timeline for testing before rushing to launch. Avoid these mistakes to build a successful app, and remember, no app succeeds without visibility. So marketing is just as important as your development. And if you are looking for experts guidance or even a second opinion, don't hesitate to email us. Follow our channel for most these kind of videos and give a like if you like the video.